The dictation. Start. There is a common complaint that the farmers do not get remunerative price for their produce stock. The agricultural prices are fixed every year by the Agricultural Prices Commission, but the government should evaluate the criteria of fixing agricultural prices stock. These criteria should be further modified in order to enable the farmers to sell their produce at a remunerative price stock. Even today, the main grievance of the farmers is that they do not get a price for their produce which is proportionate to the costs and the hard work they do stop. So the government should pay attention to this also. Stanza. The knowledge of the techniques of agriculture is increasing in our country very rapidly. Stop. The agricultural universities set up by the government are conducting research in the field of agriculture and are making use of that research in the fields. Stop. But it appears that this knowledge is used in some limited areas only. Stop. Therefore, a comprehensive program should be chalked out so that the benefits of this knowledge could be made available to all. Stop. I therefore urge the government to formulate schemes in such a way that our farmers could get the benefits of our scientific progress to increase agricultural production. Stanza. The government is aware that the farmers have to face the natural calamities of flood and drought every year. Stop. Relief is provided by the government at the time of flood, but lakhs of acres of agricultural land is rendered unfit for cultivation due to floods. Stop. There is no doubt that agricultural yield increases following the flood, but the farmers have to face heavy losses prior to it. Stop. Therefore, arrangements should be made to check the recurring feature of floods in the flood prone areas. Stop. The calamities like flood and drought can only be prevented by formulating programs of permanent nature. Stanza. In our country, agriculture mostly depends on weather conditions. Stop. If the weather conditions remain favorable, the crops are good, but in the event of excess or deficient rainfall, or if the crop is hit by hailstorm, huge damage is caused, and in that case we curse the nature and say that everything has been destroyed due to bad weather. Stop. Therefore, the government must think in terms of finding preventive measures to protect agriculture from the havoc of natural calamities. Stop. The government has introduced crop insurance scheme for the farmers, but its benefits do not reach the farmers. Stanza. Arrangements should be made to ensure that farmers get its full benefits. Stop. The crops should be insured in every part of the country. Stop. To ensure that its benefits reach every farmer all over the country, each one should be covered under this scheme. Over.